Amsterdam Centraal. History. Amsterdam Centraal is a historic station, opened in 1889 and designed by Dutch architect Pierre Cuypers. It's a beautiful example of Gothic revival and Renaissance revival architecture, with a grand façade, tall towers, and ornate details. Location. The station is conveniently located in the heart of Amsterdam, right next to the IJ River. This makes it a great starting point for exploring the city, with many popular attractions within walking distance. Transportation hub. Amsterdam Centraal is a major transportation hub, connecting Amsterdam to other Dutch cities, international destinations, and Schiphol Airport. It has 11 platforms and handles over 250,000 passengers daily. Facilities. The station has a wide range of facilities for travelers, including shops, restaurants, cafes, a supermarket, luggage lockers, and a tourist information office. Things to do. In addition to being a transportation hub, Amsterdam Centraal is also a bit of an attraction itself. Visitors can admire the architecture, take a walk on the roof terrace for views of the city, or visit the Amsterdam Railway Museum, located inside the station. Lovers Canal Cruises is a popular company offering canal cruises in Amsterdam, known for their modern boats, comfortable interiors, and informative guided tours. They have been operating since the 1950s and have become synonymous with quality canal experiences in the city. Here are some things to know about Lovers Canal Cruises. Variety of cruises. They offer a variety of cruises to cater to different interests and budgets, including Classic Canal Cruise. This is their most popular tour, providing a general overview of Amsterdam's history and landmarks as you cruise through the canals. Evening Canal Cruise. Enjoy the city's illuminated beauty on a relaxing evening cruise. Luxury Canal Cruise. Indulge in a luxurious experience with comfortable seating, drinks, and snacks on board. Pizza Cruise. Combine a canal cruise with a delicious New York-style pizza. Wine and Cheese Cruise. Enjoy a selection of Dutch wines and cheeses while cruising the canals. Dinner Cruise. Experience a romantic evening with a multi-course dinner on board a luxurious boat. Modern boats. Their boats are modern and comfortable, with glass-top roofs for panoramic views and open-air decks for fresh air. Expert Guides. The cruises are narrated by experienced guides who provide informative commentary about Amsterdam's history, culture, and landmarks. Multilingual audio guides. In addition to the live commentary, some cruises offer audio guides in multiple languages. Departure points. Cruises depart from several central locations in Amsterdam, making it easy to find one that is convenient for you. Combo tickets. They offer combi tickets that combine a canal cruise with other popular attractions in Amsterdam, such as the Van Gogh Museum, Red Light Secrets, or the Heineken Experience. Overall, Lovers Canal Cruises is a reputable and popular option for experiencing Amsterdam's canals. They offer a variety of cruises to suit different interests and budgets, and their modern boats, comfortable interiors, and informative guides make for an enjoyable experience. Here are some additional things to consider before booking a Lovers Canal Cruise. Prices. Prices vary depending on the type of cruise and the duration. You can check their website for the latest prices. Booking. You can book your cruise online or at one of their ticket offices in Amsterdam. Time of year. If you are traveling during peak season, April to September, it is recommended to book your cruise in advance as they can sell out. Accessibility. Some of their boats are wheelchair accessible, but it is best to check with them in advance if you have accessibility needs. I hope this information helps you decide if a Lovers Canal Cruise is right for you. Amsterdam's canals are fascinating and hold a wealth of intriguing stories. Here are some interesting facts to quench your curiosity. History and design. Defense to delight. The oldest canals were actually defensive moats, built in the 13th century. As the city grew, they transformed into beautiful waterways, shaping Amsterdam's unique character. Golden Age grandeur. Most canals were dug during the 17th century Dutch Golden Age, reflecting prosperity and urban planning ingenuity. The concentric canal belt with grand houses is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. More bridges than Venice. Believe it or not, Amsterdam boasts over 1,280 bridges, surpassing even the romantic canals of Venice. Each bridge has its own charm and story. Life on the water. Houseboat haven. Around 2,500 houseboats bob gently on the canals, forming vibrant communities and offering unique homes and challenges for Amsterdammers. Cycling capital. Bikes are ubiquitous and even end up in the canals sometimes. A dedicated bicycle fishing boat retrieves them, adding a humorous touch to Amsterdam's aquatic life. Secret World War II hideouts. During the war, some brave residents used ingenious hidden compartments in their canal houses to shelter Jewish families from Nazi persecution. Fun and quirky. Thin Bridge, big name. The Majerbrug, Skinny Bridge, is Amsterdam's most famous, defying gravity with its narrow design and charming legend about a wealthy merchant's wife. Canal cleanup. Every year, a special Canal Cleaning Day brings together residents to fish out bikes, furniture, and other lost treasures, creating a festive community event. Underwater secrets. Divers have discovered incredible artifacts in the canals, including medieval weapons, lost jewelry, and even a complete 17th century ship. These are just a few glimpses into the fascinating world of Amsterdam's canals. With their rich history, quirky character, and ongoing role in city life, they continue to captivate residents and visitors alike.
it's also quite pretty and very near to the water. And if you're afraid to do it, don't do it. You might end up
Thank you for watching my introductory video about traveling to Amsterdam. In the next video, I will tell and show more about the city itself. Here are some additional things I may include in the next video. A more detailed overview of the city's history and culture. A tour of some of the city's most popular attractions, such as the Anne Frank House, the Rijksmuseum, and the Van Gogh Museum. Recommendations for restaurants, bars, and shops. Tips for getting around the city. Information on where to stay. I hope you will join me for the next video.